Good morning and good afternoon and good evening. Sandy Boy is back. How has everyone been? I'm not having a very nice day, but I hope you are. We have a special presentation tonight. Yeah, it's been a while. Hi everyone, how are you? I missed you. Well, this is what we're going to do tonight. It's completely insane. I look very professional because I'm Ernest, the painter. Sandy Boy is back. Do you like my shirt? Well, we're not going to get any paint on that, are we now? I got the Blackhawks hat on again. Woo! Here we go. Oh. We're having a little drink tonight. And I like it. It's wonderful. Well, here we go again with our mental illness nonsense. Hi everyone, how are you? It's going to be insane. Well, good afternoon and good morning. Here I am, I'm back. Did you miss me? Well, I missed you. Let's have another little sip here. Just another little sip.
Worldwide at 95grillrock.com.
We have to remove the hat. Of course, we can't get the Blackhawks hat dirty. Oh, and the shirt too, because I don't want to mess up this shirt. Are you crazy? Why would I mess this shirt up? Hi, good morning and good afternoon. Here we go. Here's the first thing. This is a syringe thing that you like insert into chickens and turkeys. Well, we're going to do this. Look. That's wonderful, isn't it? Look, I'm making a big mess all over myself. What do you think of that? I don't give a crap when anyone thinks about it because it's funny. And if you don't like it, don't watch it. Then, of course, you gotta paint the head. Yep, paint the head. There you go. In the face. And all the way down like this. Ooh. Wait, we gotta go up and down like this. Make a circle. Yeah. And then we're gonna paint my nipples. Yeah. Isn't that wonderful? Are you having a good time with this? Because I am. Because I'm Sandy Boy and I'm back. And if anyone that doesn't like this, don't watch it. Good night, good morning, and good evening, and good morning and good night. And my name is I love you.